The iPhone 15 Pro Max is Apple's latest flagship smartphone, offering a range of new features and improvements over its predecessor. With its sleek titanium design, powerful A17 Pro chip, and advanced camera system, the iPhone 15 Pro Max is a top-of-the-line device for tech enthusiasts. The iPhone 15 Pro Max features a 6.7-inch Super Retina XDR display with ProMotion technology, offering a smooth and immersive visual experience. The display supports HDR content and True Tone technology for accurate color reproduction. The device is powered by the A17 Pro chip, which provides excellent performance and power efficiency. One of the standout features of the iPhone 15 Pro Max is its camera system. It includes a 48MP main camera, a 12MP ultra-wide camera, and a 12MP telephoto camera with 5x optical zoom. This setup allows for stunning photos with high detail and dynamic range. The device also supports advanced photography features such as night mode, deep fusion, and Smart HDR4. In terms of design, the iPhone 15 Pro Max features a sleek titanium frame with a textured matte glass back. The device is available in multiple colors, including black, white, blue, and gray. It is also rated IP68 for water and dust resistance. Other notable features of the iPhone 15 Pro Max include 5G connectivity, Face ID, USB-C charging, and an action button that can be customized to perform various functions. The device runs on iOS 17, Apple's latest operating system, which offers a range of new features and improvements. Overall, the iPhone 15 Pro Max is a powerful and feature-packed smartphone that offers an excellent user experience. Whether you're a photography enthusiast or a tech-savvy individual, this device is sure to impress with its cutting-edge technology and sleek design.